Hello kids. Welcome to Vital Learning Care. Today, let's dive into the juicy, colorful world of fruits. Are you ready to learn their names in a fun and exciting way? Let's go. B A N A N A Banana. A P P L E Apple. C O C O N U T Coconut. A V O C A D O Avocado. P E A C H Peach. P I N E A P P L E Pineapple. M A N G O S T E E N Mangosteen. K I W I F R U I T Kiwi fruit. B L U E B R R I E S Blueberries. P L U M Plum. G R A P E S Grapes. S T R A W B E R R Y Strawberry. Great job, kids! You've learned so many fruit names today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vital Learning Kare. See you in the next video with more fun and learning. Bye bye.